Welcome back to another video on the PBE Jobbers website, how-to videos. In this video we are going to be covering the My Account section of the web page. Once you're logged in, at the top of the screen you're going to see the option for My Account in the black section at the top. Click on My Account and you're going to be taken to an area where you can manage general information for your user ID. In the My Profile section, you'll have the ability to modify name, add birthday, email, decide role, company information, as well as status, whether a user is active or deactivated. You'll also be able to set default address information. To edit this information at any time, you can click the pencil and you can modify this. You will automatically be associated with a customer. You will have an email address, first name, last name, birth date. You can enter prefix, suffix, or middle name. You can also change your password from this screen. You will need to know your current password. Enter that in here. You will then need to enter a new password and confirm that password. Clicking Save will save all of your information. The next section down is the address book. Here you will be seeing all listed addresses that we have on file for you. You can also add a new address in if you plan on regularly sending a particular package or shipment to another location. Under the users area, you can create multiple users for your company. To do that, go to Users, click on Create User. Once you are in to create user, you can enter in email address, first name, and last name. You'll notice the asterisk next to each of those three it makes it a required field, so you will have to enter those three in. Everything else is up to you if you want to do it or not. Be sure to enable the user by checking the box. It should default to being checked. You can either choose to give them a password, or you can choose to have the system generate a password for them. And you can also choose to have it automatically send a welcome email. This will happen upon save. The last thing that you will have to do is you will have to determine which role you want this person to be assigned. The three main roles that you will want to use, number one is read only. This allows somebody access to the website. They can see inventory, they can see pricing, and they can browse and search. The buyer has the ability then to create a shopping list and make purchases. And the administrator has full access to everything on the site. This allows to create users. This allows them to modify the address book, adjust other users' information, enable or disable access to other users. Those are the three main roles that are available. And once you go in and create, just click Save, and that will create a new user. You can create as many users as you would like. It's our recommendation that you create a user for anyone who may need access to the website. The next option down are roles, and you have the ability to go in and create a custom role based on the specific use case scenario of users in your organization. Now, if they don't necessarily fit into a read-only, a buyer, or an administrator, all you have to do is click Create Customer User Role. It will pop up with all of the different options that are available, and you can simply enable whatever sections you want, and we are always willing to help if this is something that you would like to experiment with. You set up the security, you decide who is going to be a part of that group, and you click Create. The request for quote is a section that we are not currently using, but hope to enable at some point. Essentially what this does is it creates a shopping list of products that you can then submit with a request for more information. Order history. is going to show you all past orders. This will also show phoned in orders as well. This information is brought in on a daily basis. If an order is placed online, it will show live. In here you will see the order number, where that order was going, the total, and then you can choose to either reorder or you can go to view. In the view section, you're going to see all the general information for this order, any of the shipping information that was entered, the billing information, when it was placed, the PO that was entered, as well as any tracking information that will be brought in once tracking information is available. You will also notice a ticket number next to each individual item. This is the ticket number that is associated with that group of products. Each purchase is going to have an associated ticket. In the new website, the way that this site is organized, if you are checking out and you realize that a particular product is not available in your default warehouse, what you have the ability to do on an individual product basis is to go in and select a different warehouse location to ship that from. And what will happen is our system will automatically generate multiple tickets for that particular order so that you can have that order shipped from wherever it needs to. So all the items shipping from the one warehouse will have one ticket number. All items shipping from a second warehouse will have a second ticket number, and you can use that as a reference if you need to call and ask any questions about that particular order. Under previously purchased, you will see all the different items that are available that have been purchased by you over the course of your being active in the system. You have the ability to filter these just like you would when you are searching for a particular product. You can turn the filters on and off. You can switch from list view back to grid view. You can see all of the images. You can add those items into a shopping cart if you want to. If you wish to select them all, you can just check the box and then choose to create a brand new shopping list if you'd like. Marketing info. Marketing info is just a section where you can save information about your company so that you can use the build flyer area a little faster. Enter in your company name, you can drop in a general logo, you can set a location, and you can enter in a phone number. Once that's all in, you can click save, and then you can kind of readily go and access the build flyer portion. On the build flyer portion, which you can access from the My account, you can also access from the build flyer area of the home page or any page, and also you can access it from the product page or the listing page or the grid view page. You can access build flyer from anywhere. In here you'd want to add in a flyer title, you would enter in your company name if it did not already default. If there was nothing in marketing info, you would need to enter this in. You could drop in a company logo, or you could drop in a different logo if you wanted to. If you have saved your logo in marketing info, that will default in here, though it does not show it. You can enter in the location, and you can enter in the phone number. Then you can go in and you can select the products. The product is going to be specified based on product SKU. The new setup for product SKU in this website is going to be the 3-character manufacturer's code followed by the part number. And as you could probably see, once you enter it in, it will set up and it will predetermine and fill for you. Then you have to go in and add your special price. If you wish to add another product, you can certainly do that. You can add up to 4 products in this flyer build. Once you're done, you simply click Build Flyer. It will download and you can open. Your title will appear at the top of the page, And then general product information will show up. So the product image, the product's short description, the general description, your special price, the logo for the product that you have chosen, and then at the bottom, your logo, as well as the address, phone number, and title for the flyer. Simply save the flyer and you can distribute however you would like. That will bring this session to a conclusion. Thank you.